Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. Myself, Jessica teacher from St. Paul's High School, and I'm back again with a new topic, that is on craft. So our today's topic is a bird or a dove. So we will learn how to make a paper dove or a bird. Okay, so let's start with the video. So let's start with this. So first you require a craft paper. If you don't have this paper, you can also use a newspaper cutout and make a bird, okay, or a dove. So first, step 1, fold your paper into half, triangle shape, crease it well. After that, step 2, now this side you are going to flip it towards the opposite side. Fold it. So see, leave some space from here and fold your paper this way and crease it well. Okay, this way. Then again this side you are going to fold it towards here. So again leave some space here like 1 centimeter or a half centimeter space and open this flap. See, so I am leaving space here and open this flap and crease it well. Step 3, so see, after opening this you are going to fold this downwards. See, this way, fold it downwards properly and again give it a good crease. So after that, see, after folding it this way, flip your paper towards the other side, okay, and then you all can see the slant. It should be slant this way, right? See, so here we'll do the bird's face. Okay, this is the front and this is the back side. So now what you are going to do, so step 4, now this flap you are going to fold it upwards. See, this you are going to fold it up. So how you are going to fold? So first take this upwards, bring it up, and you are going to go little slant. If you take it straight, it will look flat. So you are going to take it little slant. See, and give it upwards fold. You all can see that I have taken the slant. See, it's not straight, it's slant. Okay, so this way, take it slant and crease it well. Okay, and again flip your paper towards the other side. Same way, these two flaps should go up. So taking the same length from back side, see, fold it slant. Okay, and then again flip it, and here we'll do the beak. So step 5, see, you all have already learned pocket fold. So how you are going to do this? First, from here, fold it downwards and crease it a little. See, can you all see this? Yes. So first this way crease, again unfold, then fold the same crease line from the other side, and again unfold it, open this flap, and then fold it inwards this way properly. This way you will get a beak here. Okay, so that's it. we are done with the bird. So with the help of a marker, you can make an eye here. Okay, that's it. Now we will start with the sticking part. So see, for sticking, you need to write the date, topic name and the borderline. So this way we will stick the bird. So before sticking, we need to make the background. So a simple background, just we will draw the clouds. Okay, so I'll just mark the borderline of the bird. See it slightly. So just mark the borderline. Okay, this is the borderline, and here we will just draw the clouds. Same here. Okay, if you want here, sure, 3 are enough, and then straight away we'll start coloring the clouds. And white, and if you want to give a darker shade, you may use a darker shade. So see, first I'll give this white color. So it becomes easier to give the shading. Okay, likewise we will color the rest of the clouds. So with your fingertip you can spread the color. And a darker shade. So likewise we'll color the rest. So see, we have finished coloring the clouds. So now we will stick the bird. So if you want, you can just apply some glue inside here, just a little. So just paste it. Okay, and then on the back side apply a little bit of glue and then paste the bird. You can either place this way, whichever way you want. So I'm placing it little slant. We'll stick this little slant. Okay, so that's it. If you want, you can stick this wing. Okay, see, that's it. This is the bird. So bird or a dove. So we are finally done with this. So I hope you all have understood how to make a dove. Okay, students. So see, so this is how the bird looks. So that's it for today. So I hope you all have understood how to make a dove. So take care, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.